So I tried this again. This is the new replacement bottle from New Zealand Eden Orchards. We ordered it last year during the occasion, and it was really good for family sharing, and it's good. It tastes really pure juice. But last week we ordered 6 of them again for the special occasion, but unfortunately they sent us old and kind of fermented, and it tastes awful. So this one is just replaced because one of them, instead of 6 bottle, one is broken in the bottom. So they give us right away, send one. Now it's arrived today, this week, just 5 days in the road. So here it is, and it's good, and no broken glass, and it tastes really nice pure juice. Let's open it now. Already tasted again today, and it's good. But it's time when you open it, there is no sealed white cover supposed to be that you always do, but it's okay because I think this is newly pure batch, expired in 2028. But if this one in the long term in the stock and it won't buy quickly, I think they need to cover here like one what color white the lid, because it used to be when they open it last year when they buy it. This time they're not. Luckily it's a first batch or new batch. So here it is. Hear the sound. I could smell. Oh, it tastes really produce. Amazing. Shout out to our YouTube friends and family friends here. Happy weekdays, guys. Almost weekends now. Look at that pure blood cherry juice. Let me taste it. Yummy. The best cherry. I wish all this batch is always nice as this. And disregard if they are like 1 year old or so, because it won't be taste so pleasantly like this now. Shout out to Eden Orchard too. This is not sponsored by them, guys. Sponsored by ourselves. Cheers! Now, the limit of this is only 50 ml. The limit, 50 ml each person, I think, before you sleep. So you have a really good sleep. So you have to make it full. Make it 50 ml, and then you got that before you sleep, and then sleep like a log. Really good, make you calm. So they said there is a melatonin in this, fresh, pure, 100% pure cherry juice from their orchards in New Zealand.